We begin this morning with a bizarre incident from Canada's busiest highway involving road rage, alleged assault, a rollover, and then ending in a fiery crash. CTV's Erin Paul is following this story for us. She starts us off this morning. Erin, what happened?
So this is from the Ontario Provincial Police. They are investigating this incident. Here is what we know. Around 11 p.m. last night, a car driven by a woman tried to get around a group of motorcycles who appeared to be blocking some lanes of the 401 that was near Dixie Road in Mississauga, just west of Toronto. So as the car went past, some damage was done. Police call this an act of mischief on the car. So the car and the motorcycles then got off the 401 at Dixie Road. They pulled over. The female driver got out of her car and was then allegedly assaulted by one of the motorcyclists. She sustained minor injuries. Now, while that was all happening, her male passenger got back in the car and took off down Dixie Road with some of the motorcycle riders chasing him. Now, when the car then turned off Dixie Road, it flipped over into a retaining wall, burst into flames. The driver did manage to escape. Now, he was taken to hospital with minor injuries. Now, have a look at this. This is video taken just a short while ago. That shows you the extensive damage to the car involved. Police say they are now looking for witnesses, but they urge drivers not to take matters into their own hands.
We certainly don't want people getting involved and engaging with other motorists. If you see a problem on the highway, please call 911, and we will do our best to get into position and make sure that behavior does not continue.
We're expecting an update from the OPP shortly. It does appear, though, that charges will be laid against the driver, and they are still looking for the motorcyclists. Marcia, I'll send it back to you.
Okay, Erin, thanks very much.
You're welcome.